Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Styling with Wood collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Me's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's take a look at some beautiful wood accents and decorating inspiration with wood. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it, and I was so happy to share these home decor wood designs. I would be really happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.